Welcome to driver training and our 2-minute tutorial on Y-junctions. A Y-junction is designed to let traffic go in 2 different directions at the same time. It also allows traffic from 2 different directions to come into the road at the same time, thus reducing the need for queuing and traffic delays. If you're going left at a Y-junction, just do it the same way you would a left merge. The problem comes with when we're turning right. The first thing you have to do is look for any vehicles that could be coming in from the left-hand side. If there is anything, you have to give way to it. Now, as that car's coming in, if he's got a car coming in from his left, he may well stop at that point straight in front of you, so you need to be aware of that. However, if his road is empty and you can see it's clear, he should just carry on round and quickly be out of your way. If it is clear, then you're fine to put your signal on, check your right mirror, make sure no one's going past, and just move across. But then when you get to the end at the giveaway lines, you just need to be aware, because the angle is so sharp, there are 2 very large blind spots. So treat it like a closed junction and peep and creep.